Hello everyone. This video is how to connect your mBot to your Chromebook using the app that we had kind of been using. Good news, everybody, it's been updated, and so this video is designed to show you how to use it after the update. So the first thing is after the update happened, I started getting this little announcement right here in the top hand corner. The first thing is my mBot app no longer shows up here. I need to go up here to the orange exclamation mark, and you can see that mBot for mBot for Scratch X requires new permissions. So I click on that, and I can choose to either remove it from Chrome or re-enable it. I'm going to re-enable it, and what that'll do is the mBot or the mBot app should appear again, and there it is. Let's say, for some reason, I'm just going to uninstall it. Let's say you don't have this installed yet, and you're wondering, how can I get this installed onto my Chromebook? First thing I do is I'd go to the web store. I'd search for mBot. I go to mBot mBot for Scratch X, and I click Add to Chrome. I click Add App. And then when I close this little dialog, I can see the icon right here. So now that I'm ready to connect, the first thing I'm going to do is I want to, first of all, connect the computer or the Chromebook to the mBot via Bluetooth connection. So what I'm going to do, and you'll hear it turn on in a second, is I'm going to turn on my mBot. All right, and you'll just have to believe me that it's turned on. It's very unexciting. And the blue light on top of the Bluetooth chip is flashing. The next thing I do is I click here, that orange, or not the orange, but the square in the lower left-hand corner, and I'm going to go to Bluetooth. If it says Bluetooth not enabled, I'm going to want to make sure to turn that on. Once it's turned on, you're going to want to look for, and you're not looking for mBot LE. The mBot LE is not going to work if you click on it. What you're going to want to look for is you're going to want to look for just mBot. And I'm just going to keep looking, and there it is. So way down here at the bottom, I click on it. It's going to say add a Bluetooth device. And it's going to say, please confirm the passkey. And I'm going to click accept. And it's going to say an unknown error occurred. So that's great. And I know you're probably thinking, but Ryan, that's an error. I don't know why, but I just know to ignore it. I click and close that. Now what I do is I'm going to now go to my mBot mBot app. And if it doesn't appear here when you first open up all your apps or you're searching for apps, you click all apps. And what you're going to do is you're going to click and find mBot mBot. So the new update, I'm going to just close that. I'll click on something in the background. There we go. So the new update, the icon works. The other thing is it actually connects. So what I do is I now click the down arrow for Bluetooth, and I look for mBot, not mBot LE, but just mBot, and I click right there. I now click connect, and you know you've done it right when this changes state to the word disconnect, and the light that was flashing blue on my mBot is now a solid blue. Once you've done that, you click on Open Scratch X. And after a couple seconds, once it's loaded, there we go. You click I understand continue after reading those warnings. You click OK, and now it comes pre-set up, and you'll be able to hear. Here's my motors running. I'm moving back and forwards, right, left. Amazing. So you can click the space bar or the stop sign to stop it. I can get it to play tones now. You'll be able to hear it. So you get the idea. So now I'm able to code my mBot using Scratch X again. And you'll be able to use all of these different blocks that kind of exist within Scratch. And then the more blocks are specific blocks for your mBot that let you do different things. I hope that was helpful. And I'm overjoyed with happiness that it's working again. So I hope that you're able to have some success with your mBots in your class too. Take care, and I hope you enjoyed this video.